In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate retirement date in Microsoft Excel. We're going to keep this very simple and practical. If you want Excel to automatically tell you the date someone reaches retirement age based on their date of birth, you can do that with one straightforward formula. Start by opening your Excel file. Once your worksheet is open, enter the date of birth into a cell. Make sure it is entered as a real date so Excel recognizes it properly. This is important because the formula depends on Excel being able to read the year, month, and day from that date. Next, click on an empty cell where you want the retirement date to appear. This will be the results cell where Excel calculates the final date for you. In that empty cell, type the formula using the date, year, month, and day functions together. The structure is equals date, then open parentheses. Inside that, start with year, open parentheses, select the cell containing the date of birth, close parentheses, then add your desired retirement age. After that, type a comma, then month, open parentheses, select the same birth date cell, and close parentheses. Add another comma, then day, open parentheses, select that same date of birth cell again, and close parentheses, then close the final parenthesis for the date function. What this formula does is take the original birth year, add the retirement age to it, and then keep the same month and day. So instead of estimating, Excel gives you the exact retirement date based on the birthday entered. For example, if the date of birth is January 1st, 1990 and the retirement age is 60, Excel will return January 1st, 2050. That means the person reaches retirement age on that exact date. One helpful tip is to double check the format of your results cell if the answer does not look like a date. If needed, format the cell as a date so the result displays clearly. Also, make sure you reference the correct birth date cell each time in the formula, since using the wrong cell can give an incorrect result. This is a quick and reliable way to calculate retirement dates in Excel, especially if you're working with personal planning sheets, employee records, or any kind of age-based timeline. And that's it. Once the formula is entered correctly, Excel does the calculation for you automatically.